Hello together, as usual it's me, Extruder. Now it's autumn. Today I show you short video with small air pump for bike. This air pump or air compressor, I just bought it in a supermarket, with this box. It's very cheap. Its price about less than $10, but I bought it not because of the price, but because of the size. Look at this. It's very compact, small one. It's maybe not suitable, or definitely not suitable. It's written something here in Ukrainian language, so it's not really suitable for auto. Nevertheless, it's a small one, very compact, and it will be very suitable for bike trip. So let's check. So it's connected, could be connected to the tier, and electricity is connection to the cigarette socket. Let's check it how it works. So when I plug it, 12 volts, this light, it's really symbolic light, could I say. It's no really light from it, but nevertheless it's like just indicator. So with the 20 volts come to the, it just indicator that 20 volts come inside. We could check it. So some sound we have. Okay, I don't have my bike right now, so I will be pump this wheel. Okay, the normal air pressure, it's between 2 and 3 bar. Let's start. So exactly 3 bars. Now I will check it with other manometer. Other manometer, simple one, also Chinese. And 2 bars. So surprise. Here this manometer was 3, and with other manometer 2. Okay, maybe this manometer also wrong. Let's check it with bigger one. I have manometer from big compressor, and I hope this manometer, usually this manometer show me correct. Let's check. Uh-huh. 2 bars. So what conclusion could be? This compressor is small, it's cheap, and finally it works. But you have to check it and don't believe the indicator of this. Should be a separate manometer for check exactly air pressure in your tire. Okay, for today that's all, and see you next time. Bye.